Okay, Vikings, get ready to fly. Hey, Toothless, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wing line without wings, though. Okay, getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Earth. No dragons required. No! Toothless, they're flying without wings! We're just falling. That's called falling. Oh, we gotta help them. Hang on! Just don't panic. I've got enough time for all of us. Okay, look at the machine. Okay, bronco nest. Wait, a bronco nest? Okay, we have to get you out of here. All the legs explode when they hatch, so just keep moving forward. No. Forward! Look, you know which way is forward, right? Oh no, the eggs are hatching! This is the magic way! That could have gone way worse. Maybe you were right, bud. Maybe there'll never be anything like flying with your best friend. As long as your best friend is a dragon. Ah, come on. Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out. All right, now, gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields, and prepare to exit the winglet. And watch out for dragon rules. You're Vikings now, and your occupational hazard. See you around.